The drone world is buzzing again, because DJI is about to launch the DJI Neo 2, and the leaks are absolutely insane. From a brand new 1/1.3-inch sensor and 10-bit HDR video recording to smarter AI flight features and extended 38-minute battery life, this compact drone might just redefine what's possible in the sub-250G category. But it doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest DJI is planning a sleek new design, faster USB-C charging, improved obstacle avoidance, and even an OLED controller. With an expected price starting around $599 and a mid-2025 release date, the Neo 2 could be the perfect balance between affordability and pro-level performance. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll break down the features, price leaks, and release timeline of the DJI Neo 2, and trust me, you don't want to miss what DJI has in store. The drone industry is buzzing once again, and this time the spotlight is firmly fixed on DJI's highly anticipated DJI Neo 2, which is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches of 2025. DJI has consistently set the gold standard for consumer and professional drones, and whenever the company announces a new model, the entire tech community, from hobbyists to filmmakers, sits up and takes notice. The original DJI Neo was an unexpected success, carving a niche for itself as a highly portable yet capable drone that appealed to both beginners and semi-professionals who wanted something lightweight, reliable, and easy to fly without sacrificing too much in terms of features. Now, with the DJI Neo 2, leaks, rumors, and insider reports suggest that DJI is preparing to double down on everything that made the first model popular while introducing game-changing upgrades that could set a new benchmark in the compact drone market. From whispers of improved camera hardware to speculation about smarter autonomous flight features and refined portability, the Neo 2 appears to be designed to answer the one question everyone is asking. How much more can DJI fit into a compact drone without raising the price beyond reach? This video will dive deep into everything we know so far, including the rumored price point, the confirmed and speculated features, and what all of this means for drone enthusiasts in 2025. The most talked about element of the DJI Neo 2 is undoubtedly its camera system. The first generation Neo impressed many with its ability to deliver stabilized 4K footage despite being a lightweight, travel-friendly drone. But according to early leaks, the Neo 2 will be pushing things even further by including a larger sensor, potentially a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor similar to the one found in higher-end DJI drones like the Mini 4 Pro. This would mean not only sharper images and better dynamic range, but also vastly improved low-light performance. The idea of a compact drone being able to handle dusk or sunrise shots with professional-grade clarity is incredibly exciting, especially for travel vloggers and content creators who rely on portability without wanting to compromise on quality. Some insider reports even suggest that the Neo may 2nd come with 10-bit color support, HDR video recording, and a wider aperture lens, which would firmly push it into the territory of serious content creation, not just casual fun. When it comes to design, DJI is known for refining portability with every iteration, and the Neo 2 is rumored to feature a sleeker, lighter build that still maintains durability. The first Neo gained praise for being ultra-lightweight, and with aviation regulations around the world often making the 250G weight category a sweet spot for